Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing amazing. So it's a Friday night when I'm recording this, so I'm in my oversized t-shirt, comfy clothes, comfy pajamas, comfy everything, and we're gonna be trying something out together. If you can't already make from the theme of my background and well, my very obvious clickbaity sort of title, then today we are going to be trying out a diamond facial kit. And the one that we're going to be trying out in particular is this one by Biotique that I ordered off Nykaa. Now this is not sponsored by Biotique or Nykaa, I bought it with my own money. This is originally MRP'd at 335 rupees, but I actually paid 251 for it because it was on some sort of an offer, and I'm pretty sure you can always get it on offer, so if this turns out good, then you can scout for offers to buy this. Using my very handy dandy scissors, we're just going to snip off the plastic so that we can see what's inside the box. Now the name of this facial kit is Biotique Instant Bright and Radiant Complexion Diamond Facial Kit. Complete 6-step facial system, and there's a gift in there as well, which is the Swiss Magic Dark Spot Corrector. And again, this is what it looks like. So yeah, let's open it up together. So we get a lot of sachets. So we have a lot of sachets. And something that I now should say RIP to. Just kidding, it's still completely fine. This is the Swiss Magic Dark Spot Corrector, the free gift. So you get a free sample, deluxe sample with sachets. Nice Biotique, really nice. First of all, I don't really know how I feel about the concept of sachets because sachets generally have a lot of product in them, so you can't really finish it up in one go. But I don't really like storing anything in sachet because I feel like it's gonna collect bacteria. So you might want to grab a partner for this activity so that two of you can do this together and finish this up. But I also like the idea of sachet, especially if you are going to be going to a salon, because I just think this is way more hygienic. Like they can use everything up on one customer and not dip in again and again. Somehow, no matter where I go, whenever I get facial done at a salon, I always end up breaking out. So hopefully I don't break out using this. Then I'll know that I'm just not meant for facial. That's the whole point, and it's not about the salon or their hygiene levels. So yeah, hopefully I don't break out. I have a very big event tomorrow, so I don't know why I'm doing this with myself. But anywho, let's get started with this. Whatever we are trying to do, facial. Yeah, I'm just quickly gonna grab a band and pull all of my hair away from my face, rainbow with camo, because I'm a fashion icon. So yes, this will just ensure there are no hair in my face and just nothing is disturbing me. So the box mentions all of the steps right here, which is a good thing, and the first step is the diamond scrub, which we have right here with us. Now this is what my skin looks before. Just have a good look at it. I think it's pretty fine. Of course I have some scarring from my acne, and I'm lacking a little bit of radiance, so that's what I'm looking for. So yeah, have a good look at my before skin. Okay, we have another issue before starting. So the step 1 on the box says apply evenly on the face and leave it for 3 minutes, and then with damp fingers do circular motions to massage and exfoliate the dead skin cell. Wipe off the scrub and proceed for step 2. But the instructions on the diamond scrub itself says take the diamond scrub and apply all over the face, massage gently with circular motions for at least 5 to 7 minutes, wipe off with moist cotton. Now what am I supposed to do, like leave it on for 3 minutes and then massage for 5 minutes? Let's just go with, I'm dropping things like no one's business, but let's just leave it on for about 3 minutes. I'm just gonna pour this directly. Okay, no, maybe not. I'm just gonna apply a nice even layer. Ooh, that is sparkly, and it smells nice as well, like it's a fresh scent, but it has glitter in it. I'm impressed already. Are those diamond dust particles? Because I really don't want that on my face. Diamond is the most hardest object, like naturally occurring hardest object, GK 6 standard, and you genuinely don't want to hurt yourself with diamond dust. Like it sounds good, Sona Chandi Nikhar, but you don't want that shit near your face. So I am just applying a nice and even layer of this all over my face, slightly on the thicker side because I'll finish this up. I don't have a partner for this activity, so I'll just apply whatever is here, and I will leave it on undisturbed for about 3 minutes, and then I will just use my damp fingers to blend it in, massage it out, exfoliate my skin. Whew. So that's what my face looks like, pretty sparkly, pretty sparkly. I'm having slight tingling sensations all over my face, especially on my moustache area. So I feel like I want to scratch that off, but I'm just going to wait for 3 minutes. We're going to see what it does, and then we're going to just use damp fingers to exfoliate our skin. Okay, so this has been sitting on my face for 3 minutes and I still have tingly sensations all over my face. I'm just going to start scrubbing it in. A lot of the gel part of the scrub has been absorbed by the skin, which is a good thing, but because I had such a thick layer going on, there's still so much on my face. So I'm just massaging it. I'll massage it, I think, for a minute or two, not more than that, and I'm very gentle with my motions. I do not scrub vigorously because it just ensures that your skin, the upper layer of the skin sort of breaks. So I'm being very gentle. It's just been 30 seconds that I have been scrubbing this in and I'm already tired. And it has started to foam up, if you can see. And I honestly, at this point, I just want to take this off because there's so much tingling sensation going all over my face. So I'll just quickly remove this with water rather than just, rubbing it off with the cotton ball, because I don't want more abrasive movements on my face. I have to say that my face feels squeaky clean yet moisturized, which is a great thing, but I do have a lot of glitter particles on my face, the glitter that was making the scrub look magical. So I have a lot of that on my face. Hopefully by the end of this facial routine it goes away, because removing glitter from face, it's a task. Even when I do like glitter smoky eyes, it takes me a whole 365 days to get rid of that glitter. The step 2 of our facial is this Diamond Detox Lotion, and all we are supposed to do is massage this in till it gets absorbed. So I cannot use a lot of it, so I will use a little bit of it this time. Let's just see if this has glitter as well. Okay, this does not contain glitter. This just looks like a normal lotion, and this smells really nice. I think it smells like moringa. Ooh, that's really nice. So I've just taken this much because I am not sure how well it will get absorbed in my skin, and I'm just gonna start massaging it on my face, and this just feels so nice. This is like that thick lotion that I love, especially during winter times. This is something. Are you supposed to apply this around the eye? Generally it's just the masks and scrubs that you're not supposed to apply around the eye, so we'll see. So I'm just gonna massage and just keep on massaging till all of this is absorbed. And I'm gonna use some of the parlor massaging techniques as well, like splitting your finger like that in a V and then just going in circular motions. I think those are the only two that I actually know. Our step 2 is done. All of the lotion is nicely absorbed into the skin. The skin looks radiant and plump, which is something I love. I also applied a little bit of that on my neck because our neck deserves all of the love and attention as well. Step 3 is Diamond Massage Gel. Now, this is the step that I really don't want to do. Not because, I'm afraid of gels or anything, but the step says that you have to massage this for 15 minutes. 15 minutes is a long time. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that gel. Ooh, this just looks like silicone, like straight up silicone. I'm just going to take that much, maybe a little bit more. Yeah. This doesn't smell the best. And it again has those iridescent glitters in it. Hopefully the camera is going to pick that up. They're very tiny, but there are iridescent glitters in there. And I'm just going to first warm this up in between my fingers, because they say just warm it up between your fingers, and then start massaging it onto your face and massage on for 15 minutes, and then you can move on to the next step. So I don't think we have to wash our face after this, but that's a lot of stuff that you're putting into your skin. Like the lotion was really heavy and now you're putting in the gel, so hopefully the skin is absorbing all of that well. So I have been massaging for a while, but my skin just feels tacky now, like it's sticking to my fingers. Hopefully you can see how it's like sticking. The directions doesn't tell you to wash your face, it just tells you to massage it for 15 minutes and move on to the next step. And the next step is the Diamond Wash Off Mask. This is what the sachet looks like, just like the other sachets. And for this one particularly, the directions say that you have to apply it and wait for 12 minutes and then wash off. That's a very specific timing. So let me take a little bit. Ooh, that looks like a shampoo. It really looks like a Pantene or a Sunsilk shampoo, guys. But let's just apply it on our face, and I'm gonna let it sit. It smells like a shampoo. Oh my god, is this a joke? I'm just hoping that this is not a shampoo, that's it. So I'm just gonna apply a nice even layer of this all over my face, and I'm gonna wait for 12 minutes, and I'm gonna wash off, and I'll be back after 13.5 minutes. It's been over 12 minutes and we look like a shiny metallic disco ball. So let's just go ahead and wash this off. So I washed my face off, and guys, my skin looks so radiant and so nice, and it's very soft. All of the gel and everything is off as well now, so there is no tacky feeling. It's just looking so good. There are some glitter particles still on my face, but that's completely fine. I love how radiant it's looking. It's honestly looking so good. The second last step is the diamond serum. Now, I didn't properly read the instructions. It said like to make the serum work better, you should apply half of the amount before you apply the gel, and then like once you're done with everything, then you should apply it. But I didn't read it, so we're just gonna apply it directly afterwards. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that. I have a feeling that this is going to be a thick serum. Let's see. Yeah, it is a thick serum. I'm just taking that much. It's a nice heap. And I'm just going to apply it all over my face. The smell for this one is also sort of floral, but not super strong. So that's nice. So it just says to massage in the serum. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm also going to pat it a little because my Korea trips taught me well. And now to seal the deal, the last step we have is the Swiss Magic Dark Spot Corrector. Now this is not a free product, but it's like a better sample size of the 6th product that was supposed to be in the kit anyway. So I'm just going to take a little bit of that cream. Not a lot because our face already has so much going on. You don't want to overburden it. You don't want to apply a lot of things to it. So I'm just taking a little bit of that cream. It also has a sort of iridescent finish to it. Not a lot, but semi-iridescent, I would say, if that's even a thing. This one has a lemongrass scent. Yeah, a very lemongrassy scent. I'm just gonna massage this all over my face. This is supposed to just seal the deal, as I said. So I'm just applying it all over my skin, ensuring it is well and nice absorbed. It's not super heavy and it got absorbed really quickly, guys, and it's not greasy as well. It just disappeared into the skin. Okay guys, our facial is done. My skin looks nice and radiant and healthy and plump. I'm gonna have 20 more glasses of water to make sure it stays this way. But yes, overall I really enjoyed using this kit. I have to say that you can get about 3 uses out of each sachet. So if you have your mom or your sister or your friend, just gather them so that all of you can have a spa day. And if you want to know whether or not I would recommend this kit, I would. This is my skin after. It did make a difference. My skin looks more radiant and glowy. It's just a nice way to, you know, pamper yourself, or maybe if you have a big event, you can just do this to make sure you look radiant and glowy and nice. Hopefully it doesn't break me out. Other than that, everything is fine. I'll actually put a date right here if it broke me out or not, so that you guys know the follow-up on that. Also, if I'm not wrong, Biotique is cruelty-free and vegetarian. They do have a green dot right here. I'm not too sure if they're vegan or not, but they definitely are vegetarian. They don't have the leaping bunny on here, but I still believe that they are cruelty-free. So yeah, that's a good thing as well. So yeah, overall I really like this kit. It's pretty affordable, and for 3 uses that's amazing. And if you can get it on discount, nothing like it. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to comment and subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. Also, let me know if you'd like to see more such facial kit try on videos. I would love to do it. And if yes, then please also let me know what other facials you guys would like me to try out. I will see you guys next time. I'm just gonna go off to sleep now. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.